model, 2018 Ford Transit €350 6 VAT Inc. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 172,547. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a nog. Bottom end bearings are squealing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, parking sensor.